Silhouette Sketch Pen Tutorial. Step 1. Open your Silhouette Studio. Step 2. Add some design text on your canvas. Step 3. Select the text design and open the Line/Sketch Effects panel. Step 4. Select a sketch to fill out your design. Step 5. Use spacing and angle to fill the design. Step 6. Fill out the other text designs using the sketch panel features. Step 7. Load the cutting mat into the machine. Step 8. Insert your sketch pen in the carriage. Step 9. Click on Send. Step 10. Select Sketch in the action. Step 11. Select Pen in the tool. Step 12. Click on Send. Step 13. After the sketching, examine the project. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.